Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is day 26 of however long it takes for me to get to my first payout of 2026. We're going to jump on the charts and break down what we're looking at for the day. So let's do it. Let's go. All right. So on the charts today, we have these couple of area interests. Oh, excuse me. These couple of area interests really comes from all the way back on the 1 hour time frame. So this right here, you can't really see where it comes from, and this right here, you can't really see where it comes from. You can see where it comes from here, where it has the area interest right here, but these areas of interest goes far back. So I'm only using past data by looking left. I know you can't see the areas of interest, but you can see them currently, what I have on the charts. What I'm looking for personally, I'm not going to take a trade within this area. So if price stays between this area and 930, I'm not going to take a trade. Why? Because we don't have a lot of play room. I'm going to see how much from this zone to this zone. It's about 111 points. That's not enough play room. But from here to here, we have 193 points that we can play in. 190 points that we could play in, and anything from like up here, we got a lot of room to play in. You know what I mean? So really, it's either like the areas of interest that I'm currently looking at. Well, the trade ideas that I'm currently looking at is possibly a buy from here. We get a buy from here, or a sell from down here. That's really the only two trades I'm looking to take. In between these two areas of interest, I'm not interested in taking a trade in these two areas of interest. So we'll see what the market wants to do, but till then, we'll find out 9:30. Before we start the live today, I got a new brand spanking coconut water from Grace. We're gonna pop this one open. Yesterday I was drinking Goya. Today's Grace. We switch it up every day. Some days. Yeah, for sure. That's 100. Nah, that's cap. That's cap. You could trade US30 with $5,000. You could trade US30 with $5,000 in your account. Okay. So what you said you loaded up $1,000.
I'm telling you, like, this is what I have done before. Like, on the platform, like, if I have, let's say, $1,000 in the account on Hero FX, I cannot place a trade on the 1 minute chart, like where I place my stop loss on the 1 minute chart. I cannot reach $100. It's probably gonna say like point like $5, $10 or something like that. But if I go to Gates FX with the 1 in 1,000 leverage with $1,000, I can risk whatever I want to on that 1 minute chart. I can risk $100, $300.
I would say, bro, slide over the futures, bro. Just open up a brokerage account with futures. You can do whatever you want with $250. No cap. 100. $250.
So $250 on a 1 minute chart, like
You'll be alright.
$200 on the trade.
Yep. Well, 200. No, I don't know if you want to risk 200 with the 250 account.
Give you an example. Like if I want to risk like $50 with $250, it'll let me do that on the 1 minute chart.
It will let you do it. It will let you do it. I might get stopped out just now. Yep, they're looking like a stop out. Damn, bro. I'm telling you, dog. Damn, 30's been cooking me. No cap. 30 has been lacing me up. Let's take a quick push-up break and then we'll get back to the video. I might take this next sell. Last trade opportunity of the week. Oh, what the hell? No. What? All right, cool. I'm cooked. I didn't mean to take that trade. It entered me in the wrong place. But hey, sell limit orders be cooking me sometimes because it be entering me in the wrong place. I don't know, bro. Hold on. Let me drop real quick. I'll be right back. I just got entered in the wrong position on this trade right here. Hopefully it hits me, but I'm not gonna lie to you. I got entered into the wrong trade idea, honestly. For the nice. What you saying, bro? No, I didn't get out. I'm still gonna hold it just because the trade idea would have tapped me in anyway, but it was like where I entered in wasn't exactly where I wanted to enter in, but it is what it is. Max I could lose 155. Damn, look at this candle, bro. Like it's rejecting something heavy down here. If I forget how much internet power it takes up when you start freaking running the whole Telegram off your internet, no cap. Hopefully this price hits TP. I pray, man. I pray for it. You know what? I'm gonna trail it just a little bit. I could lose 105 max.
Oh, now my chart finally showing, bro. Damn.
It's over, bro. It's over, bro. Just chill.
Hey, look. Let me ask y'all this. On the 1 minute chart on you. Look, on the 1 minute chart on y'all platform, is it showing a big ass gap to the downside?
On what? On what?
On US 30.
That's what I told you, bro. Just come over to the future side because we don't have those problems, bro. I just got stopped out again. Okay, so you've seen it. My trading day, 2 losses again, just like yesterday, but it's fine. I risk managed properly. I'm gonna say it's my fault because the trade didn't actually go through stop loss, but it did. But it didn't. Whatever. But I risk managed well. I'm down $320 today. I was down $280 yesterday, so that's like $600 altogether. So $600 after 2 days of losing, that's fine. I can relax with that. I can still make that all back. It's been pretty tough. This FOMC, no, it's not FOMC. It's NFP week. So it's usually an NFP week. It's a little rougher for me to take trades or to bank home runs. There is a trade that I did take that didn't take that would have hit, but it was in between those zones. Early in the video I said I wasn't gonna play between those zones, which I didn't. I tried to play outside of those zones and I got chopped up. So it is what it is. We'll come back tomorrow stronger and better and more prepared for the action. I love you guys. Thanks for supporting me. Leave a like and subscribe down below. Till next time, peace.